Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the recorder and confirming power and storage immediately. Check battery level and ensure the micro SD is formatted. This prevents file errors later. Once done, attach an external mic if you need better clarity, or leave the built-in mic for convenience. Set input sensitivity so loud sounds don't clip. Aim for peaks around -12 to -6 decibels. Make sure file format and sample rate are set to your needs before you hit record to avoid redoing takes. Now you configure quality and monitoring so every take is usable. Choose a sample rate, 44.1 kHz for audio-only voice or 48 kHz if you need video sync. Pick file type, WAV for editing, MP3 for smaller files, and decide mono versus stereo based on mic setup. Plug in headphones and monitor live. This lets you catch background noise early. Turn off automatic gain control and use a limiter instead to control peaks, because AGC will shift levels unpredictably during recording. Hit record and maintain consistent mic distance, roughly 6 to 12 inches, and keep an eye on input meters to avoid clipping. When you finish a take, stop and save immediately, labeling files with date and a short descriptor so editing is faster. If you encounter distortion, drop gain a few decibels and retry. If background hiss or wind show up, check cables, mic orientation, and any foam windscreens. One key troubleshooting tip: if you get no audio, confirm mic is selected in settings, and that phantom power is enabled when required.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.